Good morning. It's Monday, July 3rd, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update showing a few light showers over Waynesboro and Augusta. Those continue to fade out, moving off to the northeast into South Carolina. Most of the state with cloud cover this morning, except for Valdosta over to Waycross, extreme southeast Georgia with mainly clear skies. So a little bit drier air there in the southeast corner of the state, but that's not going to last very long. We have pretty high dew point readings across, or these are the current temperatures. First of all, look at that. Low 70s across the state of Georgia. We do have some 60s up in the North Georgia mountains and 68 up in Cherokee County, but that is pretty warm as we get started this morning. Then we take a look at the dew point. Here's the fuel for the thunderstorms. Low 70s, so areas of fog in parts of South Georgia and Middle Georgia, and with these high dew point readings, that is going to spark up a few strong to severe thunderstorms. So we do have a level 1 out of 5 risk for all of North Georgia, pretty much all of Middle Georgia as well. General thunderstorm risk for South Georgia. As I mentioned, a little bit drier pocket of air down there is going to help suppress a few of the thunderstorms, but still, we're going to look out for 1 or 2 pop-ups as we move through the day today. And just across the state line up in the South Carolina, there's that level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather. So we're pretty close to that, so we're going to be on the lookout for some strong to severe thunderstorms as we move through the day today and into the evening hours. For tomorrow, about the same. Level 1 out of 5 risk for all of North Georgia, Middle Georgia in there. We'll keep South Georgia in the general thunderstorm risk, and then we change things up just a little bit as we head into Wednesday with a level 1 out of 5 risk over most of the state except for northeast Georgia over the mountains. So, yeah, not a lot of change in the weather over the next few days. Just going to feel the same about every day with clouds starting out in the morning, a little sunshine, heat and humidity in the afternoon. So let's take a look at the modeling for today. Things are pretty quiet as we move through the morning hours. We head toward 1, 2 o'clock today. Mountains could give a little bit of lift to some thunderstorms there. We move toward 3 o'clock, and again, a few of those could go strong to severe up in North Georgia. South Georgia is going to be relatively quiet. We'll see a couple of showers pop up here and there, but not a big deal. 5, 6 o'clock, we're still showing those thunderstorms from metro Atlanta over Athens, northbound, and some thunderstorms popping up in southwest Georgia as well. So not really going to be able to predict exactly where they're going to fire up, but just know we have that chance as we move through the late afternoon and into the evening hours, and really all of Georgia looking at the possibility of those storms popping up this evening. Modeling overnight tonight shows a few showers possible cutting through the middle of the state. We start out with mainly cloud cover tomorrow morning, maybe a few showers here and there, and then things start to pop back up again as we move into the late afternoon and evening hours. The map looks pretty much the same on Wednesday. We start out with clouds, possibility of a shower here and there. Things are pretty quiet through the midday, and then thunderstorms back in by tomorrow evening. So again, no surprises, but keep in mind that heat index is still going to be very, very high over the next several days. Heat advisories are in effect. As a matter of fact, for today, for parts of South Georgia, with heat index readings up around 107 to 108. So take it easy, stay cool, stay hydrated, and be sure to try to do most of your work if you have to be outside in the cool part of the day, early morning, tomorrow morning, and then maybe into the evening hours as well, because the middle of the day, and especially as the heat from the earth starts to go back up into the atmosphere, it gets really, really hot in the afternoon, and all that humidity as well. So just take care of yourself. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.